and gentlemen of the press, the hasty removal of the Minister of Education is in response to our demand at the press conference on Monday, March 18, 2019, for a full investigation of activities at the Ministry of Education in light of credible reports of corruption, nepotism, and misappropriation of public funds involving that ministry and its associated agencies. Our report indicates the depth of the cancer of corruption that has now engulfed the Holness administration. Reports indicate that not only the Central Ministry of Education is involved, but other agencies, including the Caribbean Maritime University, the National Education Trust, and the Heart Trust, which was subsequently transferred to the Office of the Prime Minister, have all been implicated in this web of corruption. This is the second senior minister of government that has been forced to resign in less than a year under the shadow of corruption affecting agencies for which they have been responsible and accountable. We should remember also that the investigations in the Petrojam scandal by the National Integrity Commission and MOCA are still not completed. Furthermore, the Prime Minister, who had carriage of the Ministry of Energy, has still not provided the relevant documentation to the parliamentary committees, in this instance the Public Accounts Committee, which has requested this information. I am again calling upon the Auditor General and the National Integrity Commission, as well as the security agencies, including the Jamaica Constabulary Force, MOCA, the Major Organized Crime Agency, the Financial Investigation Division, to fully investigate the allegations which have caused the minister's resignation. We expect them to act with integrity and urgency to hold those who broke the law accountable. Indeed, we note that the Prime Minister has not yet said what was the basis on which he asked for the resignation of the Minister of Education, and we are calling upon him to do so immediately. Also, in light of the disturbing reports that the security agencies are being hampered in the conduct of their investigations, we are calling upon all the heads of the security agencies to act with integrity and urgency, mindful that they ultimately represent the last line of defense that the country has against wanton corruption and the abuse of taxpayers' money. The People's National Party strenuously objects to the Prime Minister's decision to take the Ministry of Education within the Office of the Prime Minister and to subject it to the Prime Minister's personal control. First of all, the Ministry of Education is much too important to be given partial oversight in the conduct of its day-to-day activities, which are absolutely essential to the future of Jamaica's children. Secondly, the experience of the role of the Office of the Prime Minister in the management of Petrojam does not give the country confidence. We cannot forget the infamous non-disclosure agreement in Petrojam, which was done under Prime Minister Holness's watch. He's yet to table all the documents linked to the resignation of the former human resource manager at Petrojam, nor has he provided the relevant advice that the lawyers gave to Petrojam on this matter, as was requested by the relevant parliamentary committees. The country cannot afford the Office of the Prime Minister to act once again to cover up the misdeeds of ministers. The people of Jamaica deserve much more and much better. Thank you very much.